Our story begins upon a sea before the age of time. On his brother's waka, Maui cast a line out to the depths and hauled up a giant fish. This formed our great island of the north, Te Ika a Maui. At the head of the fish, Te Upoko o Te Ika, Wellington Harbour, is where the story continues. Maui's hook was lodged deep into the side of his catch. Because of the pain, the fish's mouth clenched shut, closing off Wellington Harbour from the sea. Eons later, two phenomena called tupua were summoned to the harbour lake. Their names were Ngake and Whātaitai. They made a life here, playfully swirling beneath the harbour's surface, longing to know what lay beyond. One day, the more energetic tupua, Ngake, summoned all his energy and launched himself high into the air. With an almighty crash, the harbour cliffs broke, allowing the fish to breathe again and creating the harbour entrance we see today. His brother Whātaitai attempted to do the same, but upon his exit, came to a grinding halt. Whātaitai was trapped between the sea and the lake, thrashing his tail, but the struggle was in vain. Time passed. Out of the water, Whātaitai grew weaker and began to die. As he took his last breath, a phenomenon called aerial activation took place. His spirit ascended in the form of a bird, Te Manu Muramura, passing through Rangitatau, our portal to the universe beyond. Our place here has been shaped by this ancient journey, an impression that is still with us today, inspiring us to create the airport of the future. No mai ki Rangitatau, our portal to the universe.